Hey, my name is Dinesh. I'm head of Good Earth Technology. Good Earth from 1996 is celebrating Indian history, culture, and its aesthetics. Good Earth is in the business of apparel, wellness, lifestyle, and through all these verticals, we are bringing sustainability and introducing Indian culture to the world. We have a presence in 7 cities, and through our website, we are touching entire globe. Approx 5 years back, we decided to scale up our technology and move from a traditional IT system to a modern IT system. We were having our all servers placed in-house, and we are looking for a possibility which can help us to scale our technology and take it on the next level. Not this, our in-house infrastructure was also limiting our business development and business enhancement. As you know that in last 5 years technology has evolved a lot, and knowing that Good Earth is a known brand in premium segment, in design segment, we decided to change everything. Every year we used to celebrate a big sales. In year 2016 we have faced the biggest challenge because of this our in-house technology. We were celebrating our one of the biggest digital sale, and our servers crashed down because they were not able to take a load of website. And we have reached back to our service providers. Because of the limitation of technology, they asked us to give 72 hours to make them up and live, which was the biggest bottleneck for us, because in a running of operations we can't afford to have a 72 hours of downtime. And we immediately decided to look at alternative options by which we can scale up and make our sales live back for our customers. The crash has realized us that we are not living with a sustainable technology, and we have to figure out something which is going to be more agile, more digital, and can serve our business need. And we have started figuring out solutions for our business. So after the situation, we start looking for a partners in technology. We met with Umbrella InfoCare, and they have helped us to analyze the situation and assess the problem. We did couple of round of discussions, and they committed us that within 24 hours they can help us to put back our website live, and also ready to help us in a migration of entire website from a private data center to a AWS environment. We both teams have started aligning their resources and start working on the things, and the magic which they bring on a table that within 8 hours they made our website up and live. It's not that the technology we have shifted in 8 hours, the huge amount of customer satisfaction we have bring back to the business, and we have saved a good amount of money and a profit for the business. The change has given a lot of positiveness in technology and business. After this migration, we have started focusing on a business development, business enhancement, and technology was working not as a support vertical for the business, they were working as a business enhancer for the company. Post this migration, we have hardly given 5 days in a month to check the server performance. However, we have given more focus on driving more business oriented solutions. Umbrella and AWS has not only helped us to migrate our servers, but they have also helped us to build more secure environment for our customers and organization. They have also given us time to time advice on how we can optimize our cost, how we can enhance our servers, what are the new technologies running in the market, which will again help us to drive business more effectively and efficiently. Today, from 2 servers of AWS Cloud, with the help of Umbrella, we have now more than 15 servers running 24/7 without any involvement of Good Earth internal technology. They not only help us in technology driving, they are also helping in a solution building. With their help, we have recently launched a lot of solutions based on AI ML. We have also built a couple of in-house solutions which are helping at our stores driving business. This new change of technology has strengthened us to do more and more R&Ds with the help of Umbrella. Umbrella is also helping us in our DevOps. Almost everything in DevOps is managed by them. After all, the ultimate goal which we have achieved, that we are saving 15% per month on month in our technology cost. Umbrella is a managed and experienced AWS service provider. We are very much happy with the Umbrella services, the way they help us to make new age technology, the way they are giving us new solutions, the way they are introducing new technologies in our business. Umbrella exceeds our expectation in terms of solution providing, the kind of fair understanding they have about AWS infrastructure and its services. So we are very much happy with their services. We recommend everybody to have partner like Umbrella.